Yes, people, how you doing? Darren Bent here for the YouTube channel. It's Darren here, by the way, Darren Bent. Listen, I've got to apologise again. Took another sabbatical. I don't know what's going on. And listen, I've been really busy. Do you know what I mean? I've been doing stuff with TalkSport, various other platforms. So listen, I've not been sharing myself with you guys, but listen, it's going to change. You're going to start seeing the content regular. We brought you a really popular video that went down really well. My top 10 releases so far, with Action Bronson coming in at #1. So make sure you go back and check out that video because that was really popular. I think it divided opinion, but that's what I like because I didn't want to make it obvious, and I'm not really that kind of obvious guy where it's, this is that Jordan 1, 3 or Jordan 3 reimagined is #1, Jordan 4 SBs, they've got to be no, like my favorite were Action Bronsons. I love them, so that's why I put them at #1. He's obviously got another shoe set to release at the end of this month as well, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, this video is all about #1. No, it wasn't #1 on my top 10 list actually. I think it was somewhere in there, but I didn't want to talk too much about the shoe because I didn't have it, and the story behind it is absolutely massive and really important. So I wanted to do the video properly. So I've managed to get it, that they came in the post. They are one of my favorite releases of this year. They're an absolute banger. So yeah, let's check out. Let's show you the shoe. Doernbecher Freestyle, it says on here. Really nice box. Let's read the tag as we always do. Nike Zoom Vomero 5 DB18, bright crimson, total orange. Now listen, this is a really special box. Let me show you there. It says Doernbecher, which you know is a hospital in Portland, Oregon. And the story behind this shoe is incredible. I mean, if I open up the box now and let you guys see it, that's Jaren Heacock. Now Jaren is a patient at the Doernbecher Hospital in Portland. He's got a cleft palate, and he's the designer of this shoe. So it's a really special story. And he's not the first patient in the Doernbecher Hospital to design a shoe for Nike. So yeah, let's tell you a little bit about his story and his background.
My name is Jaren and I'm 10. When I found out I was selected, I was surprised and really happy. Some of my favorite things about the shoe is the jargon and the colors. I picked the jargon because I was born in the year of the jargon. The special patches for my brother and sisters because they're special to me. Working with my Nike team was fun. They helped me design it and they're really funny. When I saw my design, I was really happy how it turned out. My shoe's going to look expensive and nice.
Now, let me know the Doernbecher Freestyle. I think it's raised since it's started in 2004. Around $30 million, which is absolutely incredible. And each year we know that they give 6 of their patients the opportunity to design a shoe with some of the Nike design team. And Jaren was one of the lucky ones who won and got to sit down and design this Vomero 5. Again, a really nice shoe. But I think what's nice as well is that they auction off, like Jaren's design of this Doernbecher that we've got sitting right here, the Vomero 5. They auction it off, and then the money raised from that auction then goes back towards the hospital. So I absolutely love that. I think it's a fantastic idea, and well done Nike, and well done Doernbecher with this fantastic program. So if we take a look at the shoe, there's a lot of stuff in the box, like a few bits here as we spoke about his siblings and the dragon, obviously his Chinese heritage and the Nike swooshes. But I'm going to get into all the details about the little bits that are in the box after that. But I just want to show you the shoe first. Let's open up the paper, which says freestyle on it, by the way. Here they are. I mean, I'll get them both out so you can both see them both. There you go. Put them down. Do you know what? Let's just quickly show you here though. All the different colour laces you've got here: the yellow, the green, the blue, and the orange. They're all in there. Put it down there, and here we have it. The Nike Vomero 5. I'm telling you now, probably the most comfortable shoe of the year. And when we start looking at some of the details on the colourway, now we know that these colours inspired Jaren as he took over the Nike Vomero. Nike Zoom Vomero 5, the running silhouette, which obviously I think first debuted back in 2007. We know that the sneaker then resurfaced, I think it was the end of 2022, and is already shaping up to be one of the most coveted silhouettes of 2023. He knew that he wanted to bring his love for the Lunar New Year to life, using traditional holiday colours. The upper of the sneaker has a red, yellow and orange markers to give the sneaker an explosive exterior inspired by Chinese dragons. As you take a closer look at the sneaker, you'll notice that almost the entire upper is covered in vibrant Velcro This is functional textile, allows everyone to be their own builder, as the sneaker comes equipped with a sheet of Velcro patches to encourage the spirit of assembly. So we know these came out in February, this model. I think they retail for about £120. Now, my size, which is a UK 10, I think they're retailing for about over 450 quid, I think, which is absolutely bonkers. But when you hear the story behind it, as I've just told you, and you look at the detail of the shoe, it is a really, really nice shoe. And as I said, the comfort is crazy. I love the colorway as well. I love the details. And let me show you some of the bits I've got down here that are in this box. Sorry for the hustling and bustling. But you go back to the patchwork as well, and you can see it there in the shot. As I said, you've got your siblings' names there. You've got the Dragons, the Chinese Heritage, the Team J, his name there, Jaren as well. Really, really nice. I mean, if I take this one off here, let's shove it on the side and let's have a look, shall we? That's how it looks. Yeah, it's not bad, probably. It's not bad. I'm probably going to wear these as is. Do you know what I mean? But then I almost feel like I have to wear them because obviously the story behind it. Like, I want to show support. Obviously, I'm trying to encourage you guys to try and get a pair because I think it is important. This is how I roll. I might put this how I roll on there as well. So really nice patches on there. As I said, you can get them on StockX. I think they're going for about, in my size anyway, about 450 quid. Really nice shoe. But I think what makes this Vomero shoe so special is the story behind it. I always you always hear about certain Jordan silhouettes, about whether it be the 3 or the 4 or the 1. There's always a story behind it. But I'm not quite sure as many of them touch your heart as this one does. But as I said, really, really popular shoe. Great colorway. I get it. People are going to look at this video and probably go, what do you wear bright orange and red shoe with? You can wear it with loads of stuff. You know what I mean? You can wear it with greys. Like, it'd look great in what I'm wearing now, wouldn't it? You can wear it with black, you can wear it with red. There's so many different options. Just style it out, man. You know what I mean? You guys, listen, I know one thing about my followers and people that subscribe to my channel. They are fashionable people, I hope. But yeah, listen, you guys are going to have to hit me with what you believe about these shoes. Do you like them? We're going to try and get a pair. I always like to get the engagement from you guys. You know that. Is it something you're going to try and get? And even if you're not particularly sold on this particular colorway, because as I said, maybe it's a little bit of an acquired taste because it's so bright. I particularly love it. The Vomero 5, what are you thinking about the Vomero 5s? Because there's been some really, really nice colorways. Do you like it? I love the Vomero 5. It's quickly turning into one of my favorite silhouettes just because of how durable they are and how comfortable they are. So I absolutely love them. You guys are going to have to let me know in the comments below. Do you like these? And which ones have you got? Which ones you're going to be trying to get? But also, always that engagement. Hit the comments. Absolutely smash that like button because we keep trying to grow. We're trying to grow together. Subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe and tell their friends to subscribe. But listen, we'll keep growing together. I won't take such a long sabbatical this time. I'll be back with regular content again. So this video was about Jaren Heacock and the Vomero 5. Really nice shoe, comfortable shoe. One of my favorite releases of the year. And here it is. As I said, smash that like button. And most importantly, enjoy your day. Engagement. Peace.